Let's talk business now, as Nigeria's stock exchange ended trading with losses throughout the week, ending Friday's trading session with a bearish trend. The all-share index decreased slightly by minus 0.01% to close at 38,324.07 from 38,328.13. The market breadth closed negative for the fifth time this week as Prestige led the gainers chart. C&I leasing topped the losers chart at the end of Friday's session, showing consolidation with movement trending towards a bullish recovery. And now joining us live on the news is Managing Director, Trust Bank Capital Management Limited, Aziz Lawal, for an expert's view on this. Thank you so much once again for joining us on the news at this time.
Yeah, thank you, Rita, for having me. Thank you.
All right, now, so last week, the NGX had a bearish run. What led to this, and will it continue this week?
We had an all-bear week last week, but that was not a full representation of sentiment in the market. We saw more gainers on Monday, and the number of gainers compared to losers for most of the week was very close. And on Friday, we saw a tie. So what happened last week can be attributed to the activities of profit takers who had made entries in the previous week. So that might not necessarily continue to the new week.
Okay, any other predictions for this week?
Yeah, we expect trading activities to remain quiet, but not as bearish as it was last week. The losses of last week represent opportunities for bargain hunters and to hold on to the horns of the bulls. By and large, it will be a week of mixed sentiments and cautious trading as the market anticipates the decision of the outcome of the MPC.
Cautious trading there. Now, with many stocks dropping share price, is this a good time to buy more stocks, or should potential investors wait till later in the week?
Rita, there's always a good time to get into stocks, depending on your investment objectives, risk appetite, and how long you want to stay invested in the stock of your choice. Yeah, sure, the stock of your choice has to be driven by fundamentals. The outcome of the MPC is a major fundamental, so you may want to hold. You may want to hold till the middle of the week after we get the outcome of the MPC.
That's a very tricky one there. Wait till middle of the week. Okay, so basically, what are your predictions for the CBN's Monetary Policy Committee meeting starting today? What do you think is expected to happen?
That's an interesting one, right? Yeah, I mean, the whole Nigeria is waiting for that. But before I go into that, let's put the last meeting into context. Faced with the dilemma of managing rising inflation and stimulating output, the MPC made the following case at its last meeting. That policy tightening with high cost of capital, hamper investment and employment. The MPC also said that while loosening will create excess liquidity, intensify demand pressure on FX market, leading to further currency depreciation. As a result, the MPC opted to do nothing at its last meeting. Since that last meeting, we have seen inflation slow down and GDP continue its positive run. Looking at that, the MPC may be tempted to do nothing again to further consolidate on the gains of its existing position. That said, there's always room for a pleasant surprise. This is the MPC. Yeah, so considering the fact that the first change to MPR last year occurred in May last year, we are in May again this year. So let's wait for that pleasant surprise. Yeah, thank you.
All right, pleasant surprise. It's not easy there. A risk of gains and losses. Thank you so much for sharing your views on this on the news at this hour. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.